Okay, everybody, we're doing something kind of interesting. It is the double pump effect, except we're doing this in UEFN and Verse. So it allows you to do a double pump with a pump shotgun so you can fire quickly. So if you're a terrible shot like me, it doesn't matter. All right, let's learn how to do this. Okay, as usual, we are in UEFN. We've got a few devices in here to take note of. Some of these are extras, so I probably won't talk about them. The first thing that we have is our item granter. Our item granter grants us the pump shotgun. We're granting this on game start. If we check out the details panel here, we can say we can spawn it on a timer of just 1 second, and that's going to be enabled at game start right down here. And I don't have it on respawn. Respawn is off, so respawn item is not on. And it's just the regular pump shotgun, level 5 actually. So that's important because we need the weapon that we want to do the thing with in there so we can go pick it up. Now the other items we need, we've got our game manager device. This is our Verse device. If you don't know how to make a Verse device, check out the link in the description below because it has all the important details for a beginner. Okay, so we've got an item remover and we've got an item granter, and we've got a player marker. Okay, so let's start with the player marker. The player marker also has the same shotgun set up inside it, and we've turned off all visuals for it, so show marker and visible for tracked player is also off. Now our item granter is also set up to have the level 5 shotgun in it, and we're going to keep everything that we've got. We're granting the current item, which is the only item. And then we want to put the cycle behavior to wrap. Essentially, it's just going to wrap around to the first item after it grants the first item. And then the item remover also has the exact same shotgun in it because we're going to remove the item. Okay, so let's check out the Verse because this is all of our devices set up. I do have an audio player in here that causes the clapping. We've got our target and we've got 2 VFX devices, one for the laser, one for the fireworks, and of course a player spawner, and just a little tiny target area to kind of build the environment. Okay, let's check out the Verse stuff now. Okay, we're inside of Verse now. We've made a file called Game Manager. Super simple to make this. Now I've got all the code in here already, so we're just going to run through it. We've got a pile of editables. Obviously the audio device, the 2 VFX devices, the shooting target. Not important, just something I put in for this tutorial. We've got our player spawner. We definitely need that. We've got our item granter device, our item remover device, and our player marker device. Okay, these are all just regular devices that we would have in other games. They're editable, so we can attach them to our Verse code from the scene. In our on begin, we have our player spawner spawned event subscribed to on player spawned function, which is right down here. When somebody spawns into our scene, we are going to attach the player marker to them. Okay, so we can track some things. And then the player marker, when the first item value has changed, that shotgun, so the value of that has changed, we're going to call on item changed. And then we have this target, the knockdown event does some stuff, but that's not important, as I said. On item changed is going to go to the item remover and remove the shotgun for that agent. And then the item granter is going to grant that item to the agent. So essentially we're just taking away a shotgun and giving a shotgun. And this is how you do it in Verse. We're done. This whole tutorial is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this. The final little bit, if you want to know, is the light show. Essentially, I make the audio device play. The 2 VFX devices are enabled because they're disabled from the beginning. We sleep for 5 seconds and then we disable them. And that's it. That's truly it. This is a very, very simple tutorial, but I think that maybe some people want to know how to do the double pump shotgun thing with Verse in UEFN. Hopefully this is helpful. I will see you guys in the next one.